That one always trips me out a little bit. Look at the weather outside, everybody. Not a single ray of sunshine in the air. That's my absolute favorite, man. It's time to get the top up, top off. Let's get a little coffee run. Let's just enjoy the weather, man. This is undoubtedly my favorite weather. And furthermore, the best weather for running with the top down. So, honestly, I think I bought the Corvette without knowing it had a target top. Like, I didn't even know this was possible. I feel like a lot of people don't. Fits real snug, even has little points. Amazing. These are all soft touch closes, by the way. Or soft close, touch, soft, you know, whatever that is. We could run with that, and we could rock with that. Gonna be a little bit of a normie here and just get Starbucks just because I already have money on my card. Oh my god, it's triple star day too. Wow. They always get you because venti is like 25 cents more. So like, why wouldn't you just get the other size, you know? All right, we're ordered. 15 minutes to get there. Our coffee's gonna be ready in 8. Let's see if we can zip tie this motherfucking thing. Z mode, let's hit a little manual. Don't know how it's gonna sound with the wind and stuff. I probably should have put like a little wind protector right here. If it sounds like shit, well, we know next time that I need to have either an external mic or a little wind cover for my shit. There's nothing like this, bro. Like, I can put my hand up. This is insane. This is insane. My bad. That'll help with wind noise. It arguably makes it worse. Hang on. There we go. Maybe that's it. I don't know. What the fuck? Bro. What? It sounds so good right here, bro. Like if you keep it between 3,000 and 4,000 with the new exhaust, it just... And I think I set off another car alarm right there. Damn. See if we can downshift and set off one like an asshole. No. can hear it way more with the windows down. I'm tripping. Little underpass coming up. Come on now. Oh, I'll be right under this motherfucker. Let's run it. Fucking highway, man. Why are you slowing down? Sorry if it sounds like shit right now. Just know that it sounds like shit to me too. I can't hear shit. I mean, look at this. Fuck. This, bro. This? Indeed. Wow. Need to get in this right lane somehow. Fuck it. Thank you. Damn, the burbles and backfires on this thing are fucking bananas, brother. Another underpass. I'll take that. Let's rip through this one. The last time, if you didn't know, on the C8 you can hold both paddles and it puts it in neutral, so you can just rev it under underpasses and shit, which is dope. Or we can do it the old-fashioned way. Oh my God. Front axle, please don't hit me, mister. Thank you. The only kind of rough part about this is that sometimes, I mean, on a day like today, you never know, right? It could start raining in the next 5 minutes. It does only take like, oh, jeez. It does only take like 30 seconds, maybe a minute to put the top on and off, but hopefully we'll be in and out. Let's see. Oh, my other favorite part, you can hear the air vents going crazy after you drive it. Very nice. Damn near. Oh, there's nowhere to put my drink, man. Gotta fucking lean over. Oh, yeah. Whoa, my POV hat. I didn't even take a sip of this yet. It's pretty good. I don't know, it's pretty good. Milfy? Sometimes I don't know if people look because of, you know, it's a pretty cool car, it's a loud car or whatever, or if it's because my fucking GoPro's on my head. Damn, that 3 Series just scraped hard as fuck. Sucks. Oh my God, everyone's scraping. Even the SUVs are scraping. All right, we're definitely gonna need the front lift for this one. Oh, please. We made it. W front lift. Put me under another one? What are they thinking, man? Something slight, nothing too crazy, you know. like shit. I know you can't hear me right now. It's okay. Actually, I'm gonna pull over right here. Take a little thumbnail. Wow, look at the tree colors, bro. Holy shit. I am mind blown. Let's run it. Some people told me I shouldn't downshift into first. And I know like under 8, it kind of just like does it anyway. I don't know. I don't want to kill my engine or anything. I don't think you're supposed to. All right, I'm sorry. That's gonna be it for me. Let's get a downshift or two. Ooh, ooh. All right, I love y'all. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure to get the fuck out the way. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe if you're new and all that. I love you so much. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.